Have you ever wondered if there is a secret, one so powerful that it could change the way you see the world and yourself? Today, that secret will be revealed. Deep within your being, in a place where the conscious mind rarely reaches, lies the third eye, a mystical gateway to profound clarity and wisdom. The third eye is not a new concept. For thousands of years, ancient civilizations have known and used it to gain a deeper understanding of life. It is a gateway that allowed them to access ancient wisdom, opening up a world beyond the limits of ordinary perception. Now, this knowledge is within your reach. Through this meditation, you will be guided to open and activate your third eye, a hidden key that will allow you to see beyond the illusions of the material world, connecting you with ancient wisdom and a clear vision of your purpose. Start by finding a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down, whichever makes you feel most at ease. Gently close your eyes and allow your body to begin relaxing through deep breathing. Let's begin by taking deep breaths, creating a connection between your body and mind. Breathe in deeply through your nose, counting to 4 in your mind. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath there, counting to 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, slowly exhale through your mouth, counting to 4 once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat this a few times, feeling each breath guide you into a deeper state of relaxation. Now, direct your attention to the center of your forehead, where the third eye resides. Imagine a soft yet powerful indigo light beginning to shine from this area. This light is a source of energy, of wisdom and intuition. Feel this indigo light gradually expand from your forehead, spreading throughout your entire body. This light brings clarity, dissolving all tension and filling you with transformative energy. Now, let's activate the third eye through positive affirmations. In your mind, repeat after me. I am open to the clarity and wisdom within me. Feel each word resonate deeply, spreading through your soul, strengthening your trust in your inner intuition and wisdom. Continue with another affirmation. I trust in my ability to see beyond the obvious. As you repeat this in your mind, Feel the indigo light from your third eye grow brighter, expanding its energy beyond your body. This light connects you with deep understanding, allowing you to see everything clearly, beyond all illusions. Now imagine your life being guided by the wisdom of your third eye. Visualize every decision you make coming from a place of inner clarity, helping you navigate life with confidence and deep understanding. Picture each step you take illuminated by the indigo light, with every action guided by powerful and clear intuition. Feel your life filled with clarity as your third eye opens, giving you a new vision, a new understanding. With this light, you not only see the world around you more clearly, but also gain a deeper understanding of yourself. This clarity will guide you, helping you make the right decisions and live a life full of meaning and purpose. Now that you have activated your third eye and feel a strong connection with the energy within you, keep this connection as you gradually drift into sleep. Let the indigo light continue to radiate in your mind and body like a gentle yet powerful energy, guiding you into a state of deep rest. Imagine this indigo light surrounding your entire body like a warm blanket, helping you to relax completely. With every breath you take, this light becomes brighter, and with every exhale, all tension in your body melts away. This light not only brings relaxation, but also prepares you for a deep and peaceful sleep. Before you drift off to sleep, remind yourself that the wisdom and clarity you have gained today will continue to guide you even in your dreams. Affirm, the wisdom of my third eye will continue to light my path, even as I sleep. This will help you maintain your connection to your inner wisdom, ensuring that your sleep will not only be restful, but also a time to gather even more clarity and understanding. Now, let your mind clear, your heart become peaceful, and your entire body gently drift into sleep. You are fully prepared to enter a deep, peaceful sleep, filled with connection to the infinite wisdom within you. Have a peaceful night, with dreams that bring clarity, and when you wake, greet a new day with a clear mind and a tranquil heart. Sleep well,